Hello everyone. Look at the another easiest question from NEET 2026 Physics. The question is from current electricity chapter. So this diagram is given and a uniform metallic wire having the resistance 4 ohm is bent to form a square loop. Okay. So one wire is there. The total resistance of the wire is 4 ohm. Now if we are bending in a square loop, okay. So we know that square has each sides are equal. Okay. So if we bend this full wire of resistance 4 ohm into equal sides, okay, so this resistance will divide into four parts and all these four parts are equal. So resistance of all the four parts are 1 ohm, 1 ohm, 1 ohm and 1 ohm each. Okay, so this ABCD is nothing but a square loop that we have divided into four parts. So resistance of each part is nothing but 1 ohm. After that, what is given? A resistance of 2 ohm is connected between B point and D point. So B point is here and D point is here. Between that, this 2 ohm resistance is there, and battery of 2 volt is connected across the point A and C. So the question is, what is the current? So the formula to find out current, we have V I is equal to V upon R. Simple. So V is already given 2 volt upon, we have to just find out the resistance. Okay, so if you look at this diagram properly, after bending this into square, this resistance is divided into four part 1 1 1 1. So if you look at the ratio, this 1 upon 1 which is 1, here also 1 upon 1 which is 1. So it is nothing but balance condition of Western bridge. That means there is no current in this middle branch P to D. Okay, that means this 1 ohm, this resistance, this ohm resistance, this one and this one. Okay, so now if you see, this one and this one are in series, so 1 ohm and 1 ohm. So in series we have to just add up, so 1 plus 1 which is nothing but 2 ohm. Similarly, this 1 ohm and this 1 ohm, this is also in series, so that is also 1 plus 1 which is 2 ohm. Now if you look at that diagram again properly, so by combining this we'll get a total one resistance, that is of 2 ohm, and the one also 2 ohm. So this 2 ohm and this 2 ohm will be in parallel. So if we solve in the parallel, okay, so how to solve resistance in parallel? R equivalent is equal to, just multiply that two resistance upon add them. So 2 to the 4 upon 2 plus 2 which is also 4. So the net resistance is 1 ohm. Okay, so net resistance we are getting 1 ohm, so 2 by 1, if we substitute here, we'll get answer is 2. So the correct answer for this question is 2 ampere current. Okay, thank you.